कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय 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 श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनं शलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिय ओम वृंदावै तुलसी देव्यै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः भक्ता विहीना अपराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमद्रै कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणं प्रविन्दे नमस्ते चरणं प्रविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणं प्रविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणं प्रविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणं प्रविन्दम् भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रां स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितस्यां वदामि राधां करुणावरद्रां सोमांस्ते गतिर्न कापि श्यामसुन्दरशिखण्डशेखर निरहास मुरली मनोहर राधिका रसिकमणि कृपानिधि सप्रिया चरण किङ्करीं कुरु संविदधसनित्यनं विभो प्रार्थये ब्रजवेन्द्रनन्दन वस्तु मोहन तवाति वल्लभा जन्म जन्मनि मुदीश्वरी प्रियम प्राणनाथ विषभानुनंदिनी श्रीमुखाब्ज रसलुलु सदापद राधिकापदतलिकदास्तितिं तं भजामि रसिकेन्द्र शेखर वंशी विभूषित करान्नवनीरदावत् पीताम्बरादरुण बिंब फलादृष्टात् पूर्णेन्दु सुंदर मुखात् अरविंद नेत्रात् कृष्णात् परम तत्त्वं किमोऽपि अहं न जाने न विजाचे राज्यं न च कनकमाणिक्यं न विवं न जाचरमं सकलजनकं मं वरवधूं मे तदा काले काले प्रमुदपति गिरिचरितो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे आदेवी काकुवर गद गद यद्वाच याचिनी पत्युवी दंडवदर्भटार्ति अश्व प्रसादोमुदश जनास कृत्वा गंधर्विकी निजगणे गणान्विदे अंगश्यामलिभिछटा मुंदी कृतेन्द्रीवरं जड्डं जाचो गुरुरुचिशं पट्टं वरसस्त्रिया वृन्दारण्यवासिनोदरं राधास्कन्दनिवेशलोज्जलो भुजं ध्यायं स्तुदामोदरं तवैवास्मि न जीवामि तथे संयामि चरणान्तिके निरुपमञ्जरीकरार्चितपादपद्म भामुदत कनक गौरी पदारविन्दं स्तनवयानि कनकैस्तव किं करिष्ये श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे राम 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 हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 Everybody listen or not? Haribu, everybody
Yes.
listen? Okay. Oh, first of all, I
Yes,
offer
yes,
my
sir.
Yes, Gurudev.
humble, respectful
Gurudev.
Pranam. Lotus feet of Gurupad,
Gurudev
Padmurti,
Shambhari.
Vishnupad, Ashtutra, Satasistrimad, Bhakti, Vedanta, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and my Sikshana Sanas Guru Niktalila, Pravishtam, Vishnupad, Ashtutra, Satasistrimad, Bhakti, Vedanta, Srila Naran Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, Lotus feet of Nitya-lila, Pravishtam, Vishnupad, Ashtottara Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakas Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So, just I want to speak few words. few days he very nicely and and also expressive part about Guru Tattva, Vaishnav Tattva, and also Bhagavad Tattva. Hari Guru Vaishnav Tinere Smarana Hoile Ay Vighna Vinashan. Hari Guru or Vaishnav triangle. Harimani Krishna, also Srimati Radhika, Guru Tattva, and also Vaishnav Tattva. So just I want to speak about how we'll serve Guru Pada. Because all our revealed scriptures explain how to serve Guru. Guru Sususwa Bhakta Sarvo Labhinicha. Sangeno Sadhunam Iswara Aradhananacha. Prahlad Maharaj, he quoted this verse. By the rendering service to lotus feet of Guru, then we will attain our highest perfect sun goal. So saying Guru Sususa Bhakta Sarva Labhini Sangeno Sadhana Iswara Aradhananucha. And always associate with high class, bona fide, genuine Guru and listen sweet Harikatha from his lotus mouth. Because Guru nourishment his disciple through Harikatha. Because Harikatha is very powerful. Do Rupa Goswami Pad Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu explain Guru nourishment his disciple in 4 ways. As like 3 ways. Hardik, Bachik and Alokdan. Then Hardik means heart. When everything manifests in the heart of his disciple. That is called Hardik. When disciple absolutely surrender lotus feet of his Guru, then Guru's all the mood, everything reflected in the heart of his disciple. So for this regard, this is called Hardik. This evidence has given in Srimad Bhagavatam, Lord Narayan, everything is manifested in the heart of Brahma. Brahma Hridaya Narayan Saptatta Prakashila. Lord Narayan, everything manifested in the heart of Brahma. So that is called Hardik. Bachik with the words, blessing. Guru nourishment his disciple. That is called Bachik words. As the disciple as a Narad Rishi. Narad Rishi, he gave blessing his disciple Mrigari. So Mrigari, before he was cruel hunter, but by the causeless mercy of Narad Rishi, then hunter he became great devotee of. So this is example this way. Or Alokdan means that the glance. Guru gives his glance, then all the anarthas removed from the heart of his disciple, and all Tattva Siddhanta Bhakti manifest in his heart. That is the example of Sukadev Goswami Pad. When Sukadev Goswami Pad, he entered in the forest, just his darshan, everybody completely intoxicated Krishna Prem. Jang Prabhajanti Munveta Veta Kritvam Daipano Viraha Kadra Ja Viraha Kadra Ja. So this verse also explains this way. Jang Prabhajanti Munveta Veta Kritvam Daipano Viraha Kadra Ja Viraha Kadra. So only the
Raju
darshan.
Hava.
Everything manifested in his heart. Jang Prabhajanti Munveta Kritvam Daipano Viraha Kadra Jvavo Putreti Tanmaya Taro Vinedu Tang Sarvabhuta Hridayam Muni Manatosmin. Sutta Goswami Pad glorified about his Guru Sukadev Goswami Pad. My Gurudev, when he entered in the forest, just his darshan, everybody completely intoxicated with Krishna Prem. So this is called darshan jata. They are taking darshan. Prem manifesting in them. And Srila Rupa Goswami Pad also explained Guru nourishment his disciples 4 ways again. As like birds, female bird hatching the eggs, sitting on the egg. And then after a few days, then the baby bird coming out from the egg. In the same way, sometimes Guru taking his disciple with him and giving Hari Katha, love and affection. In this way, also nourishment. Or second example is giving as like fish. Female fish taking the small or small baby, small space. But in the water, if there are any danger, everything is coming. That time he also making the signal. Then all the small fish, they also ran away. Another also giving example as like the tortoise. Tortoise also nourishment and is babies also. And another example also giving that the crocodile. Crocodile keep their babies in one hole, but very far away in his glands. Nourishment. So in this way, our Shastra also explain this way. Our Guru nourishment is disciple. So, but here Sutta Goswami Pad explains Srimad Bhagavatam, Snigdhasya Sisasya. Snigdha Sisya. That means that disciple completely, absolutely surrender lotus feet of Guru. That is called Snigdha Sisya. One's heart, no any duplicity, no any hypocrisy. Duplicity, hypocrisy. Saying one thing or doing another thing. Gurudev, सब कुछ तुम्हार और चरण दुटी हमार. Bengali word. Ye Gurudev, my everything belongs to you, but your lotus feet are mine. Saying in his mouth, but not doing anything. Eh? Eh, You understand? So Gurudev, everything belongs to you, but your lotus feet are mine. And no, when completely surrender lotus feet of Guru. मानस देहज्ञ जो किछु मोर और पिनुत्वा पदे नंद किशोर मेरा माइंड my body and which things so related with my body and mind, everything I am giving to you. And so saying, Manasa deya gaya jo kichu mora o kripenu tu apade kiso Manasa deya gaya jo kichu mora apade kiso. So this is called Atma Samarpan. Disciple means one who completely, absolutely surrender lotus feet of his Guru. That is called Atma Samarpan. Yeah. Or if Atma Samarpan one time, you cannot take back. Yeah. So I am giving everything to you. I am not taking back. Swaha. Swaha. So means Atma. Ha means offering. Yeah. So internet. And up down. So different kinds of also disciples. And once Gurudev Swaranand Goswami Maharaj, he gave lecture about many types of disciples. But mainly three types of disciple first. One is called tamasic disciple. Another is called rajasic disciple. Or another is called sattvic disciple. Tamasic disciple, they are the example of Ekalabha. What is his name? Ekalabha. Ekalabha is the son of Hiranyadhanu. He was born in low caste family. But his nature, tamasic nature, mood of ignorance. He came in front of Dronacharya. Here I want to learn archery. But Dronacharya realized Ekalabha, his mood very always was envious mood, tamasic mood. For this regard, Dronacharya told him, I will not give you the lesson of archery to you. Then Ekalabha refused, and Ekalabha entered in the forest, and he also built one very nice, beautiful Vigraha of Dronacharya, Dronacharya's deity. And he learned himself archery. One day, Dronacharya and his disciples, especially Arjun, entered into the forest. Then Arjun saw one dog is coming. But their dog is not making any sound. Or one arrow just stabbed his mouth. But no blood coming, nothing. Then Arjun became very surprised. Then Arjun returned back to Dronacharya, asked his Guru Dronacharya, "Hey Gurudev, this type of archery, Dhanush Vidya, you did not learn, it did not teach to us." Then Dronacharya is thinking, who did this? Then Dronacharya entered in the forest and saw Ekalabha is there. And when Ekalabha, he saw Dronacharya, then he completely lay down, lotus feet of Dronacharya, and very humble asked, "Hey Gurudev, I am your disciple, sister." And then he told these things. Then Dronacharya told, "You are my disciple. You are learning this archery in front of my Vigraha." Yes. So he gives some dakshina. Dakshina, understand? Give some donation. Then Ekalabha told Gurudev, "What you want, I can give everything to you." When emotion coming, disciple can say anything. Then Dronacharya he told, "Okay, give your thumb." Then Ekalabha choked his thumb with his sword without any hesitation and avoiding. So now his question is coming. Many people are thinking Ekalabha is the best servitor sevak. Nice. But Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada in this commentary explained actual Ekalabha is not pure devotee. Not perfect disciple. Why? Because he is Guru. Guru knows the heart of his disciple. So Ekalabha is not in the list of rejected. General people are, mundane people are thinking, Ekalabha, he completely surrendered his Guru. Actually, this is not true. In this material world, some people externally doing many things, but internally are another things. This is called duplicity and hypocrisy. So Ekalabha is called the Tamasic Guru Sevak. What Guru Sevak? Tamasic Guru. Because Ekalabha's aim and object how to kill to Arjuna. For this regard, he wanted to learn archery. And Arjun is a devotee of Lord, Bhagavad Bhakta. So those who against the Bhagavad Bhakta, he is called demon. So for this regard, Dronacharya, he cut his thumb. He cut his thumb means he cannot fight against enemy. So this katha also explains this. Dronacharya, Ekalabha is called tamasic disciple. Sevak. And then Rajasic disciple, Rajasic Guru, that is called Karna. Karna name is coming. Mandan people so much glorify about Karna. He is the best donor. When you make the list of the donor, whose name is coming in the topmost name coming, whose name is coming in the front. Understand? Whose name is coming? Who is the best donor? That is called Karna. So saying Data Karna. Data means donor. Karna. So Mandan people, they so much glorify about Karna. He is called the best donor. Because in Mahabharatam, and we say, and Karna also cut his one earring, and also his kavach, and chest kavach. So Karna name is also this. But Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada explained. Karna also he is not perfect sevak. Why? Karna's always he envious with Arjuna. Arjuna is the perfect sevak of Krishna. Pancha Pandava is there also. Yudhishthira, Arjuna, Nakul, Sahadev. But Arjuna completely surrendered lotus feet of Krishna. But Karna always envious with Arjuna. So for this regard, Karna is not the perfect sevaka. And Karna also he cheat his guru. Karna he came first to learn archery in front of Dronacharya. Dronacharya recognized also. His mood is not good. Envious mood. Envious with the devotee. For this regard, Dronacharya refused to him to learn archery. Then Karna he came in front of Parsuram, who is the incarnation of Lord. Bhagavad Saptavis avatar. Parsuram. But that time Parsuram, he took vow. I will not give any Astra Vidya, Astra Siksha Vidya. Give the teaching the archery. Any Kshatriya. I will now take rest. Only if I see any Brahmana is qualified, then I will give some lesson. Otherwise, not. But Karna, he came in front of Parsuram. And he asked Parsuram, I want to learn archery from you. Then Parsuram he told, hey Brahmachari, listen. I already took vow. Only I give archery lesson to Brahman. Are you Brahman boy? Then Karna pretended. Karna told, yes, I am Brahman boy. I am Brahman boy. So you give me lesson about archery. So in this way, Karna he learned all kinds of archery with the from Parshuram. Then last day, there is a Samavarta Divas. What Divas? Samavarta Divas. Meaning, leave the Brahmachari ashram. That time, in ancient time, when Guru give the any shiksha to his disciple in his ashram, then when disciple learn all the lesson from Guru, then Guru last day give him welfare. That's the welfare day. So that day was last day. Karna and Dronacharya, Parshuram, they are walking on the street, on the inside the forest. Then Parshuram, he told Karna, I am now a little bit tired. I am now to take rest. You are my disciple, so you can massage my body. So Karna, he took the head of Parshuram on his lap and massaging the head of Parshuram. And Parshuram just closed his eyes and speaking many pastimes, katha is there also. Because that time Guru and disciples so much close relationship. In the meantime, one very poisonous, that is called scorpion. It look like this. That is called Vajrakit. What is it? Vajrakit. Look like scorpion. Insect. Cut the thigh of Karna and Kanda. And so much blood coming from the thigh of Karna. But still, Karna, he was massaging the head of his Guru and Parshuram. When Parshuram wake up, Parshuram says so much blood. Split blood here and there. Then Parshuram asked to Karna, hey Karna, why here is so much blood splitting? What is the reason? And that time Karna told Gurudev, honestly I tell you, one very poisonous insect, Vajrakit, and cut my thigh. So for their regard, and so much blood is coming there. Then Parshuram notice, and Parshuram become very angry with him. Parshuram asked to Karna, Karna, tell to me, are you really Brahman boy? I think you are not Brahman boy. Because Brahman has no these types of toleration. You must Kshatriya Santan. You are the son of Kshatriya. You are not Brahman son, Brahman Balaji. You cheat me. And you also broke my vows. Eh? That time do not Parsuram, he gave cars to Karna. Eh? When your time will come, and that time you will forget to how to appropriate the arrow, and your and wheels of chariot will be stuck. Eh? And this is the cause of your death. In this way, Parsuram, he gave cars to Karna. And in Karna, how he told is, I am not a Brahman boy. But I want to learn archery from you. From this regard, I also tell line. And anything happen, this. And so for this regard, Karna is called Rajasic and Devak. And third, that is called Sattik and Guru Sevak. That is called example of Bhishma Pitamaha. Bhishma Pitamaha, he kidnapped 3 daughters of Kasiraj, Amba, Umbika, Ambalika. But Amba, he already took vow to marry with what is your name? Salva. But Bhishma Pitamaha kidnapped 3 princes. Then Amba, Umbika, Ambalika, Umbika, Ambalika, they told, okay, Bhishma, what do you want? We accept your proposal. Then Bhishma Pitamaha told, actually I kidnapped you for the marriage ceremony of what is his name? I just looking a name. So he told, I will not marry. Because that name is just remember the name. In Hastinapur, that and Satyavatis. Chitrangada Vichitravid. So, Amba, he told, Vishwamita, you kidnapped to me, you have to marry with me. Then Bhishma Pitamaha, he told, already I took vow. I will celebrate my life. I will want to become brahmachari. I will not marry. That is, so if you not marry, why did you kidnap me? So Bhishma Pitamaha told, okay, you can go to marry with Salva. Salva, he told, no, I will not also accept you. Then again she returned back. Then she gave cars to Bhishma Pitamaha. The next birth, I will take revenge, and I will be the cause of your death. So see also next birth become, that is called, what is called? Half male or half female? Now, what is called? Napumsaka, no? I forget this English term. And,
Very muffled.
huh?
Muffled.
Huh?
Half male and half male.
Yes, yes, that boy.
So Mahabharata is saying this. Yeah? So Bhishma Pitamaha also he did not that time he also Amba he also complained his Guru Bhishma Guru Parshuram, your disciple, he kidnapped me, but he does not want to marry with me. Then Guru became very angry with him. Parshuram became very angry with Bhishma Pitamaha. If you not marry, why did you kidnap to others? Sikhandi. You're right. Kind of case, Sikhandi. So if you not marry with her, so you can fight with me. You defeat me, or I will defeat you. So that time Bhishma Pitamaha and Parshuram, Guru Parshuram, they fought against each other. Then finally, Parshuram, he left. Because Bhishma Pitamaha already took benediction from his father, he will be Ichhamitvar, according his desire, he will give up his body. Parshuram, he knows these things. For this regard, Parshuram, he did not kill to him also. So in this way, Bhishma Pitamaha, his name is coming in the Sattik Sevak. Sattik understand? Mood of goodness. So three types of Guru Sevak now coming. Tamasic, Rajasic, and Sattik. Or but you have to, what kinds of Guru Sevak? Niskinchan Guru Sevak. Niskinchan means even. Akinchan, Niskinchan, this word is coming. Completely surrender to the spirit of Guru. What Gurudev is saying, you have to follow. That's the example of Arjuna. Sisyaste aham sadhi tang mang prapanna. Arjuna says, Hey Krishna, you are my Guru. I am your disciple. That is called Sisya. Sanskrit word Sisya means disciple. Sisya means Sas Dhatu, one who completely surrender to the feet of Guru. What Gurudev is saying, he will follow. You understand? Sas Dhatu, Sasan Bhakta, means one who follows the instruction of Guru. What Gurudev is saying, you have to follow. There are no any arguments. No argument. What Gurudev is saying. This is called perfect disciple. Or another also disciple, topmost disciple. He serves his Guru. He is one who realized the heart of his Guru. And he serves his Guru. He is called perfect disciple. And that's the example of Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika, she knows the heart of Krishna. Akeli Radha jane Krishna Hriday. Only Srimati Radhika, she knows the heart of Krishna. For this regard, Srimati Radhika proper way serve to Krishna. Krishna seva. And in the same way, Krishna, he knows the heart of Srimati Radhika. So for this regard, and Srimati Radhika, a Krishna is called servant, sevak. As Srimati Radhika, she is called Guru. Krishna says, Radhikar Prem Guru, Ami Sisya not. Jahar Preme Amai Nachai Udvat. Krishna says, Srimati Radhika, she is my Guru. And I am her disciple. This is a Rasa Vichar. Rasa Vichar, Srimati Radhika, she is Guru. Her Krishna is called, he is her disciple. Chaitanya Chaitanya, Radhikar Prem Guru, Ami Sisya not. Tahar Preme Amai Nachai Udvat. Srimati Radhika, she is called my Prema Guru. What Srimati Radhika is saying, Krishna is following. Srimati Radhika is saying, he put alta. Alta, understand? That's called red liquid. What is called?
No.
No.
Alta, they put look like that. So Krishna, Srimati Radhika, she is saying, hey Krishna, you put the luck on my feet. Then Krishna hold the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika and watching how this very nice, beautiful, soft soul of Srimati Radhika. Then Krishna was looking. The soul, so long time, hold the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. So in the meantime, one Sakhi Manjari, she told, hey Krishna, you are cowherd boy. You have no idea how to put this altar in the feet of my Samini. When she puts down and kicked out. And or some also altar is there on the feet of Srimati Radhika, and Srimati Radhika feet and prints on this start in the forehead of Srimati Radhika.
The forehead of Srimati Radhika.
No, Krishna. Understand? That's it. Srimati Radhika and feet are touched in the forehead of Krishna. And then Krishna is very happy. And Srimati Radhika's footprints on the forehead of Krishna. Then Krishna is very happy. Right? So when we used to go Javat, that Katha also explained each other. But Srimati Radhika is giving instruction and Krishna is following. So for this regard, Krishna says, Radhika Prem Guru Amisisya not. Tahar Preme Amai Nachai Udvat. And once Srimati Radhika, she was sitting in one place with her all Sakhis. Only Vrindadevi, she was not in there. Then after a couple of seconds, Vrindadevi, she came. And with a very nice, beautiful, smiling face. Then Srimati Radhika, she asked to Vrinde, Kasmat Vrinde, hey Vrinde, where have you come from? Then Vrindadevi, she told, I am coming from your Tabakundat. Now I am coming from your Radha Kunda. Tabakund. They say, have you seen my beloved Govinda, Krishna? That time Vrindadevi, she told, yes, I saw your beloved Govinda. But where is he? But now Krishna is on the bank of your Kunda, Radha Kunda. Kima Kurute, what is doing there? Srimati Radhika, she asked, I am here, or where is my disciple? Eh? Where is Guru? Disciple should be there. Understand? So for this regard, Srimati Radhika, she told, hey Brinde, where is Krishna? Now Krishna on the bank of Radha Kunda, your Kunda. Kima Gurudev, what is doing? What is he doing there? Then Vrindadevi, she told, oh Krishna, he is learning some lesson and
That's
how to dance. Dancing lesson. Dancing. Nitya Kala Vidya. What is it? Nitya Kala Vidya. Understand? Dancing lesson. Dance lesson. Then Srimati Radhika, who is the teacher in there? It's going down. Right.
it's working.
Who is his teacher? Who is giving lesson to him? And that time Vrindadevi, she told, all the trees of Radha Kunda. Krishna is thinking, this is the your form. Tang tang patimurtim. Learning this dance on the bank of Radha Kunda. And Krishna is thinking all the trees of Radha Kunda, they are non different from Srimati Radhika. You understand? When the trees just also bending, then and wind coming and they are a little bit bent, their tree branches, other thing, then Srimati Radhika, Krishna is thinking, oh, Srimati Radhika, she is giving me lesson how to dance this left, right, this. So in this way, our Goswami Rasik Acharya explained, that Krishna, he learns everything from Srimati Radhika. How to dance, how to play flute. Even Krishna, he learned how to play the flute. Everything is Krishna learned from Srimati Radhika. So that means in our Rasa Vichar Shastra explain this way, Srimati Radhika, she is called Prema Guru. Which Guru?
Prema.
Prema Guru. Radhika Prem. Krishna says also, Radhika Prem Guru, ami Sishya not. Tahar Preme amai nachai udvat. Srimati Radhika, she makes me dance with her divine love. So, perfect disciple in this one. So now who is the perfect disciple? Krishna. Our perfect Guru, Srimati Radhika. And also then our Acharyas also explain this way. And Mahaprabhu Sevak, that is called Govinda. When Mahaprabhu was staying in Jagannath Puri in Gambhira, Govinda, he served to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu absorbed in separation mode of Srimati Radhika, Radhika Bhav Jaiche Uddhav Darshane, Sei Mata Rahe Prabhu Ratri Dine. Day and night, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu absorbed in the plank of separation of Krishna. Same separation mood of Srimati Radhika. कहाँ मोर प्राणनाथ मुरली बदन कहाँ जाऊं कहाँ पाऊं Brajendra Nandan. This mode is and these types of viraha. Viraha, many types of viraha. And one is called Abhi Viraha, Bhavan Viraha, and Habba viraha. Many kinds of viraha you get. And there are different kinds of praying. That's called darshan jata prem. Just taking prem, that taking darshan, prem manifested. That is the example of Kubja. Kubja, he went saw to Krishna, the prem manifested. Sarvan jata prem, listen the glories of Krishna. Then Rukmini, he completely dedicated lotus feet of Krishna. So Rukmini, she is the example of Sarvan jata prem. So darshan the Sarvan. Another is called Utkantha-mayi prem. Utkantha-mayi prem in the heart of Braj Gopis. Too much eagerness. They want to direct to say to Krishna. Uddhav came in Braj and tried to pacify the Braj Gopis. Because Krishna said to Uddhava, Gachodhang Bhaje Soma, Pratimang Pratibhavha, Mad Vyanang Gopi Gopina, Mat Sandasya Koi Vimorchaya. Krishna told, hey Uddhav, you go to Braj and pacify my parents and give my message to the Gopis. Uddhav, he came in Braj. When he saw Braj Gopis, how they have love and affection with Krishna. Then Uddhav became very surprised. Bhavati nang mahabhaga viraheno me anugraha krit. Uddhav continuously recited this bhav. Here Mahabhagavati Gopigan, Gopi, what kinds of prem inside your heart towards Krishna? And these types of prem not in the heart of the queens of Dwarka. Mahisi Obi Sudurlabham. These types of prem not in the heart of the queens of Dwarka. Bhavati nang mahabhaga viraheno me anugraha krit. But you are feeling separation for Krishna. And only to giving blessing. Not other than this. Your viraha and actual giving blessing to you. So saying, Bhavati nang mahabhaga viraheno me anugraha krit. So now coming in this way, then Krishna, Uddhav returned back to Mathura, then told all the prem of the Braj Gopis. But Uddhav, he did not tell all the prem of the Braj Gopis at a time. Because Srimati Radhika, she told to Krishna. He told to Uddhava, hey Uddhav, when my beloved Krishna will ask about our message, then you don't tell our this Viraha Katha. But you will be tell Viraha Katha, I believe, because you are a very close friend of Krishna. But don't you tell all our Viraha Katha one day. All these Katha will be tell step by step, not every day. Not at a time, every Katha. Understand this? Because our beloved Govinda, he cannot tolerate even they listen our separation mode. So you can speak our Viraha Katha, not at a time. Give an example, if your very old cloth, old cloth, old cloth when you washing, cleaning in the water, So how to take out the water from the old cloth? Not at a time you twist. If you at a time twist the old cloth, eh, the old cloth will be completely what? Broken. Destroyed. But how will you to take out the water from the old cloth? Must be slowly, slowly. If you at a time, if you twist, then that cloth will be destroyed. The cloth will be completely torn out. This. So in the same way, Srimati Radhika, she told Uddhav, hey Uddhava, listen. And you may tell our Viraha Katha not one day. Because our beloved Govinda, he cannot tolerate our Viraha. And so you can tell to our Viraha Katha and step by step, not one day. One day speaking something. When you saw Srimati Radhika, when you saw Krishna's heart melt, tears rolling down, then you stop. Then after a few days, you can speak. In this way, you can speak this. Because gopis, they are prem towards Krishna. That is called Utkanthamaya prem. What prem? Prem. Again, Srila Jiva Goswami Pad explained. In Braj, again, 3 types of prem. One is called Vivek Sunna prem. That are birds, trees, and cows. They are prem towards Krishna. That is called Vivek Sunna prem. Vivek Sunna, they cannot discriminate with their knowledge. For this regard, they are prem towards Krishna. That is called Vivek Sunna prem. Vivek Sunna prem. Our Sakhas towards Krishna, that they are love and affection, that is called Visrambha prem. So much close and intimacy. That is called Visrambha prem. Our gopis, they are prem and love and affection with Krishna. That prem is called Utkanthamaya prem. Utkantha means eagerness. Only they want to direct to meet with Krishna. That is called Utkanthamaya. Sometimes I give an example. Once Guru told his disciple, you do bhajan and sadhan, then Krishna will give darshan to you. Then disciple asked Gurudev, when Krishna will give darshan? What kinds of bhajan I'll do? And Krishna will give me darshan. And that time, Guru told, when you Utkantha will come. Utkantha means? Utkantha means eagerness. Utkantha, eagerness. Eagerness without receive that things you can to survive your life. So that kinds of prem is called Utkanthamaya prem. As like without drinking water, you cannot survive your life. So drinking water. Without air, you cannot survive your life. So need is what? Breathe. But still disciple cannot understand. So Gurudev told, okay, come with me, and take bath. So next day, Guru and disciple taking bath in the hand, and disciple knowingly cut the shoulder of his disciple and pushed down in the water. Understand? Just 1 second. Then wait. Then disciple, then Guru asked, what happened? Gurudev, I am about to die. Then that time disciple, when you inside the water, what do you think? Well, only I think I will come out from the water and take the breath. I did not think anything. there are no any thoughts coming in my mind. Utkantha prem means these types of things. That is gopis, they are love and affection towards Krishna. That is called Utkantha prem. They want to direct to take darshan to Krishna. And Krishna darsana lalasa. Only they are looking how to direct to take darshan to Govinda. And try to pacify. And they are viraha, separation towards Krishna, not possible. Even Baladev Prabhu also came from Dwarka to Vrindavan. Also Baladev Prabhu cannot do. Utkantha prem means that prem they only direct to take darshan to Krishna. There are no any service. So now come in this way. This types of. So just I also explain this way. Srimati Radhika's heart is Srimati Radhika, only she knows the heart of Krishna. Or Krishna, he knows the heart of Srimati Radhika, but not completely. You understand? Srimati Radhika, she knows the heart of Krishna. Absolutely true. But Krishna cannot completely understand the heart of Srimati Radhika. And Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, one slok also explained, Surat Katha Lilamrit Grantha. Very nice, beautiful is the Grantha. What Grantha? Surat Katha Lilamrit. Very high level Grantha. If you read this book, then your mind will be not going here and there. Only one pointed with Radha and Krishna. A nice beautiful book. What is Katha? Surat Kathamritam. Very marvelous book. You read or no?
First time we hear this name.
First time you have heard this name. What kinds of you say what? So no need to speak. So just I also explain this. Srimati Radhika, she knows the heart of Krishna. And Krishna, he knows the heart of Srimati Radhika, but not completely. Not completely. So for this regard, Krishna appeared in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sachinandana Gaurhari and took Srimati Radhika's mood and her complexion. Adhikar Bhav Kanti Raiya Krishna Avatirna Hila Navadev Gaura Rupa Dhari. And Krishna took Srimati Radhika's mood and her complexion and appeared in the form of Sachinandan. So for this regard, I also explain this. A Guru Seva. Krishna is Guru and Srimati Radhika is his disciple. Her opposite way, Rasvichar, Srimati Radhika is Guru, Krishna is disciple. Krishna is massaging the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Krishna is best person. So for the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says also, Jat jadati sishta tatta devetara jana sajat pavanam kurute lokas tat anuvartate. Where that great person, what is doing? His followers also doing same thing. So who is the great person in this world? Krishna. Krishna, what is doing? Krishna is massaging the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. क्या आप लोग जा रहे हो? आ रहे हैं? नहीं, वो तो आई थी तुम्हारी बेटी. अच्छा, वो घर गए, तुम आई है. अच्छा. हाँ, What did he say?
what I'm doing because
Krishna is saying this verse, Bhagavad Gita. Eh? What is he saying?
chapter
जद जदाति श्रेष्ठ तत्त दिवेतर जना सजत प्रमाणम कुरुते लोकस्तद अनुवर्तते. Who is the senior person, the best person? And what he is doing? Then all his followers also doing the same thing. So Krishna is the best person or not? Krishna what is doing? Massaging the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. So all we have to also follow the and Krishna's instruction. What is the Krishna instruction? Krishna what is doing? Servicing lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Eh? So this is our rule. Eh? So just I also explain this. In Gambhiraj, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu absorbed in the separation mood of Srimati Radhika. Radhika भाव जी उद्धव दर्शने सही मात्र रहे प्रभु रात्रि दिन. Day and night Chaitanya Mahaprabhu absorbed in the mood of Srimati Radhika. अपना के राधा भावे रहे अनुपम. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu day and night always thinking I am Radha. And now my beloved Krishna left me. Then he is crying and crying and crying. कहाँ मोर प्राणनाथ मुरली बदन, कहाँ जाऊं कहाँ पाऊं ब्रजेंद्र नंदन. कहा रे कोई वो दुख के माने मोर के जाने मोर दुख ब्रजेंद्र नंदन बिना बिना है पाटी मोर दुख. Mahaprabhu is saying, where will go? Where will get my beloved Krishna? Day and night he is crying and crying. This. And Sarvadamodar Rai Ramananda, when they used to come, they also more and more glorified about Srimati Radhika's Viraha Katha. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Viraha separations increased more and more. Then Mahaprabhu's Sevak Govinda is become very upset with Sarvadamodar Rai Ramananda. Why you are speaking this Katha? But Govinda, he can't understand the highest mood. Who knows the highest mood of Srimati Radhika? Sarvadamodar Rai Ramananda. That means Lalita and Vishakha. Sarvadamodar is called the Lalita Devi, or Ramananda, Vishakha. So, but Govinda can understand this. But when Sarvadamodar Rai Ramananda glorified more and more Raskatha, Param Vidyapati Chandidas, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Viraha stage also increased more and more. So, who is the topmost servitor? Sarvadamodar Rai Ramananda. But Govinda can understand. But topmost again, who is the topmost servant of Srimati Radhika? That is called Rupa Manjari. Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, Vilas Manjari, Ananga Manjari. How these are to Srimati Radhika. Radha Radhika Seva. How to, so for this regard, Gaudiya Vaishnava always hankering. How to become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika. Radhika dasi jodi hoy obhiman sigroi milay tabe gokul lokhan. If you want to become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika, then easy to attend to Krishna. Prabhupada Saraswati Pad in her many slokas will glorify this. So, Manjari Seva Paddhati. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested the highest mood in Golok Vrindavan. That is called मंजरी भाव सेवा, हरि सेवा मंजरी भाव सेवा है, हरि सेवा है।
You wanted to explain why Govinda is also.
Govinda, he was servant of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, but Govinda cannot understand this high level mood. He cannot understand. Only Saru Damodar Raya Ramananda they know the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Vrindavan. Lalita Visakha, they know heart of Srimati Radhika. Or Mahaprabhu Lila, same Lalita Visakha coming in the form of Saru Damodar Raya Ramananda. But Manjaris, they are also higher than Lalita Visakha. Well, how possible? Because he is giving the evidence. Tambula Arpana Pada Mardana Payudana Abhisar Divindaran Namesri Prana Prashya Sikila Sankochita Bhumika Tam Rupa Manjata Dasika Aham Sangsrayit. Raghunath ji composed this word. Raghunath Das Goswami. Tambula Arpana Pada Mardana Payudana Abhisara Devi. There are many kinds of Punja Seva inside of Radha and Krishna. Thousand gopis, they always are engaged. They are very busy to serve to Srimati Radha. So, different gopis, they are different specific seva, services. Though all the gopis, they know all kinds of service. But Jogmaya gave their different specific service also. Understand? What is your specific service? आपके कोई सेवा है? You don't know. Make garland. Gatiya malutir mala diva duhan gali. Adhare tuliya divo भरपूर tambul. भक्ति ठाकुर सिंह राधा नौतम दास राधा कृष्ण प्राण मोर जुगल किशोर जीवने मरणे गति कालिंदीर फूले के कदम्बे रावण गाथिया माला तिरमाला दिव दुहार गले अधरे तुलिया दिव कम कर्पूर तंबूले. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, his one song also explaining my service, that is called Karpur Seva. What Seva? What do you mean Karpur? Karpur means camphor. When Srimati Radhika, she drinks the water, then little bit camphor putting it. Not so much. If we give more, then we will become very sick. Just very little.
Why they put good taste?
But there is a good taste and sugandha. Sugandha, sweet, fragrance. And there are so many things inside the camp. So saying, Adhare Tuliya Diva, Tamula. Radha Krishna Pranamura Jugala Kiso Jivane Marane Goti Arana Kalindira Pule Keli Kadam Piravana Ratana Pedira Upo Vasavadu Jana Samago Tamge Diva Vachandane Raganda Chamara Dulava Kave Heriva Chandra Kantiya Malatir Malati Madhumar Gale Kantiya Malatir Malati Madhumar Gale Adhare Tuliya Diva Purpuratam Adhare Tuliya Diva Purpuratam Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daser Anudar Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daser Anudar Seva Adhikara Mage Naruttam Seva Adhikara Mage Naruttam Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama. Hello, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Krishna Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Sai Gauranga Jaya, Sai Gauranga. Sai Gauranga Jaya, Hare Jaya Jaya Jaya, Sai Gauranga Jaya, Sai Gauranga. Sai Gauranga Jaya, Sai Gauranga. Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om.
Srila Gurudeva Ki Jai.
Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna Gurudev, thank you for your class and joining the Zoom event. I will unmute everyone so everyone can say hello.
Hare Krishna.
Gurudev, Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Gurudev.
Gurudev. Jai
Gurudev ki jai.
प्रणाम प्रणाम गुरुदेव प्रणाम प्रणाम
Pranam Gurudev.
Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranam, Gurudev.
जय श्री राम
Pranam, Shri Gurudev.
Servitor of
Dandavat Pranam Gurudev.
प्रणाम
Dandavat Pranam.
Dandavat
Gurudev
Pranam.
ki jai.
Gurudev ki jai. Jai.
Please remember different types of Guru Seva. Understand? नहीं तो आज आदमी don't become the or is your servant of Guru. What is called Gurudev? Everything belongs to you, but your lotus feet are mine. Then I cut your lotus feet. Good. Jai Jai Shri Ram.
Jai. Thank you,
We had
Gurudev, so much.
take also lunch. Here about 4 o'clock. 4 p.m. Or is what is the time here? 15:40. Sar Prasadam.
Yes, they took prasad.
Eh?
They took prasad.
They took?
Midday. Midday. Prasad. 1 o'clock. They took.
Okay. For you to Prasadam now? आपने प्रसाद लिया कि नहीं? खिचड़ी प्रसाद you did not take. है? Okay. हरे कृष्णा, जय जय
Hare
जय
Krishna.
Jai. Thank you, Shri Gurudev. Now we will continue the Zoom because today there are 9 devotees who will share their offerings. Jai Shri Gurudev. Gurudev, we cannot hear you. You're muted. We cannot hear. We cannot hear anything. Could someone please unmute Gurudev's mic?
Okay.
Ah, yes, now it's good. Yes, Gurudev, now we can hear you.
Okay. Okay, my hearty blessing all to you. And do bhajan and sadhan and 1.8 with Guru and Krishna, then you will attain your perfection goal. Don't go Babaji's line. Don't go here and there. Smarta Ramanas. Some devotees completely stupid. Running toward the Smarta Brahmanas, and some also going towards Babaji's line also. Whole lives our Guru Vargas, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, Srila Gurudev, but against to the Babaji Sampradaya. Answer this. Smarta Brahmanas. You read Gurudev, that book, one book that is called Prabandha Panchakam. Then you understand what is our Guru Parampara. Now many people, they also confuse. The Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada in this our line, there are no Guru Parampara. So for this regard, in few days, I gave heavy class about that the article of Prabandha Panchakam. Gurudev very Srinaran Goswami Maharaj wrote this Grantha also. Everybody have read this Grantha. If not read this Grantha, then you will go Apasampradaya. Then you go hell and committed offense, lotus feet of pure devotee. So thank you. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Shri Gurudev. Shri Gurudev ki jai.
Jai, jai. Okay, you can continue of your schedule.
Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranam Guru.
वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय. So how long you will be? How many days?
Please, could someone unmute Gurudev again? I'm really sorry. I think Gurudev was asking how many days the program is going on.
No, I just haven't.
Oh, yeah, now it's good. So this is the second day of the Zoom glorifications of devotees from all over the world. I know Indian devotees also did glorification.
Like 1 week.
Huh?
And Indian devotees maybe 1 week.
Yeah, from India they did separately, and this is going for a second day from yesterday.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So-
So yesterday I also spoke Hindi, but I did not. That time was the middle of the ocean. Our program is there, middle of the ocean in the boat program. So that time they also called me, but not perfect. They are
Connection.
connection. I don't know how much they listen or not. Anyhow.
Okay. So this meeting this year we did poetic offerings. So many devotees they wrote a poem, and yesterday they share many poems, and today some devotees will also share the poem they create.
Okay. Poem.
Poem like rhymes.
Look, they wrote it there. Okay. Okay, nice, good also.
Very, very beautiful way to write.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Everybody can do it.
Huh?
For me, it's very hard to do this poetic.
Okay, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Gurudev, Dandavat Pranams.
Okay, my heartily blessing all to you. How many devotees you are on this room?
Now 42 devotees are there in Zoom, and some are watching online on Facebook, One Madhuriam, about 30 devotees, 40 devotees. So total about 80, 85 maybe.
85.
Total with Facebook and Zoom. In Zoom 42, and then in Facebook around 40.
Same also coming on the Facebook and also no?
No.
Yes,
different.
same coming on Facebook.
From one.
The same
not
class,
possible.
but different people
From
watch.
one mobile, not possible both. So someone will face-
It goes live both locations on Zoom and also on Facebook.
Oh, okay. So Zoom, how many?
In Zoom 42 with you, Gurudev.
Facebook?
And Facebook, let me see, it was around 40. Also, I saw devotees watching. It's 15, now only 15 left on Facebook.
Okay.
This Ananga Mohan said this Prabhuji wants to take initiation from you, Harinam.
Okay. Okay, now, okay, Hare Krishna, and to do another class, okay?
Hare Krishna, Gurudev. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Dandavat Pranams. Now we will start the second part of the event.
okay, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Mm.